Hey guys, welcome to another art decor video with Matt. Today I have some of this old style barn wood that a buddy of mine donated to the show. Thanks again, Chris Williams, you rock. Also, I made these two mountain blocks to put on the back that's just a little shorter, about 1.5 inches on each side, guys. As you can see, that's kind of how the layout it'll be. And what I want to do is take one of my scrap metal art pieces that I made, which I made an old style looking banjo. I don't know if you guys can really see that good out there, but it's like an old style banjo. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to even paint the banjo. I want people to see what it's made out of, like an old ceiling fan disc and an old piece of a metal track and some old farm equipment right there, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the two boards over because I like the look of these sides better versus these sides right here. So what I'm going to do is flip these over, get them nice and lined up, just like that. And I'm gonna take my blocks and put them in each corner just like this, and maybe just measure out maybe like 6 inches or 5 inches and put it on that line right there. And we're just gonna go ahead and screw those to those boards right there, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and be right back. Alright, so I got this board exactly where I want it right there, guys. So what I'm gonna do is just make sure it's still lined up nice and good. Make sure they're nice to put together well. So then what I'm going to do is come from the bottom right here with a short screw and my impact, just like this. Screw that right there. And then I want to shoot another screw in this corner, and this corner from underneath, right? And then what I'm going to do is turn it around and do the exact same thing on that other side right there, guys. Alright guys, so now I got the two boards. They are screwed together and mounted style on the back. So what I want to do now is position this so that I can screw some screws or get some nails possibly and make it mount itself to the board and the wood behind it, right? So that's why I put my boards where I needed them to be. That way I can shoot a screw right here and go straight into the board behind it, the backing board, and through the wood. And then I got it so that I can place 1 or 2 screws right there, and that'll screw down into that backing board over there. So all I gotta do now is just kind of get it lined up the way that I want it, and I like it at this little pitched angle, just like this right here. All right, just a little pitched. Make sure I got it all in the middle right there. So now I got it where I want it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and screw this one end down first. All right, so I like that. So I'm gonna come to this other side and shoot me a screw through here. Alright, so now that we got it all screwed together, we can kind of kick it up and look at it real quick across the screen. Alright, so now all we got to do is just take a look back and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so there we go. There's my banjo metal art mounted to some old barn style wood, guys. It gives it that real country feel look, rustic kind of look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace.